Welcome to Atma Deepam Inner Light, a sacred space where your mind finds peace, your soul finds light, and your journey within begins. Find a quiet and comfortable place. Sit with your spine gently upright, or lie down with ease. Close your eyes and take a slow deep breath, and slowly release. Again, take a slow deep breath in and slowly release. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter, your thoughts softer, your heart more open. Imagine a golden flame glowing at the center of your chest. This is your inner light, your true essence. With every inhale, it goes brighter. With every exhale, it spreads warmth through your entire being. Now, see yourself seated on a lotus, floating in calm, still waters. Above you, a golden mandala slowly turns, showering you with peace, clarity, and love. Repeat silently in your mind, I am calm, I am light, I am at peace. Again, I am calm, I am light, I am at peace. Feel this light expanding beyond your body, filling the space around you, reaching out to the world, sharing your peace with all beings. As we prepare to close, take one last deep breath in and slowly release. Again, take deep breath in and slowly release, keeping this calm energy within you. Thank you for joining this meditation at Atma Deepam Inner Light. If this guided session touched your heart, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so you won't miss our next journey together. Thank you.